Hello fellow chartists, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and we hit my price target, guys. I don't know what to tell you except that we hit my price target, took some profits, hit 466. I told y'all yesterday. Did y'all believe me? Comment below if you believe me. Comment below if you made some money. I love to hear y'all's story. I love to hear y'all prospering, okay? It makes me very happy to know that I'm able to assist you guys and making some money, okay? Now, they say money don't buy happiness, but being able to provide for your family, making extra money to pay your bills, and maybe going on vacation, whatever your reason is to get into trading, hey, that's where the happiness is, okay? Being able to buy your children clothes and provide food, that is what makes you happy, okay? That's what it's all about. Okay, we had a bullet SPY, as you can see right here. I was watching a little bit on the 30-minute chart. It gets very tricky when you buy at these levels, okay? But I was watching. Okay, got the breakout. It was bull flagging on a 30-minute chart. Looks very good, okay? As long as we stay above my levels. All right, actually, I put in my Discord that I'm watching for the 464. Okay, so by tomorrow, maybe 465, 466. But as long as my levels hold, it keeps 470, okay, in play. All right, we got the breakout. I think now that we hit my price at 466, it was a choppy day, but it was bull flagging. You look at the 30-minute and 1 hour chart, you'll see it bull flagging. Those are basing patterns. If it was a big pullback, you would see some big red candles, just like this one right there. But we didn't see that. We saw bullish price action. We saw basing. We saw some choppiness. It wasn't regular China. It was a bull flag, guys. Bull flag. You stay bullish when there's a bull flag. Wait for the breakout. We wait for the breakout. We got the breakout. Now it's gonna look like my 470 price target is in play. So for the people that didn't believe me yesterday when I said 466 was the price target, now I'm saying 470. Do you believe me now? Do you believe me now, or will you continue to try to be the next Michael Burry? Really, I said it yesterday. You're not Michael Burry. You Michael Blurry, because you're not going to see straight. You're going to cry. You're going to cry because you lost money, and then you're going to make excuses, whatever, to convince yourself on why you should continue to short this market when it's a bull market. All right? Continue to be bulls in the bull market. This is ridiculous for the people that's trying to short this market, okay? However, there is something that I'd like for you guys to watch. Okay, let's go to barchart.com. Check this out. This is interesting, okay, guys? Now, for the first time in a while, we got more calls than puts. All right, it's not that much more, but we got more calls than puts, okay? And it's supposed to be like a regular thing. All right, it's not too bad. This should be overall more calls and puts because SPY overall goes up more than down. Okay, but I want you to notice how when it comes to hit our price target, now people are starting to buy calls. Okay, you're noticing people are starting to FOMO in. They're FOMO in at the top. Okay, because I've been saying to you guys 466 is the price target. That's where we look to buy. That's where we look to take profits. We look to sell. Now people are starting to FOMO in. Cool. I still got a 470 price target. Okay? So bears, if you guys want to continue to be stubborn and want to be bears, I recommend you guys wait till we go to 470. And even then, there's a chance that SPY will break out and close. We don't know. All right? This is a crazy, crazy market. All right? Let's go to my... this is my Discord. I want you guys to see something. This is the seasonality based on equityclock.com. It's free, guys. And look, we are over here. We're around here. This is right here. This top right here is about around November 11. Okay? So we'll see what happens on November 11. That's next week. Is it next week? It's about next week. Okay, I had a long day of trading and stuff, and you know, my brain ain't working 100% right now. But that's around next week. And supposedly, according to the seasonality, next week is when we should start making some down move, a ABC correction to the downside. And then around towards the end, a little after mid-November, we're gonna get another big move heading into December, okay? That's what seasonality is telling us. All right. Either way, I have a price target of 470. Look to buy the dip. If we get a dip, that is. Okay. The way I like to do it, of course, you guys already know I like to use the moving averages as support. Of course, you guys know I like to use the breakout level and see a retest. Okay. But with this strong bull market, we may not get bounces off the 5-day or off of one of our support just yet, all right? But maybe you guys still want to make some money and do a day trade or whatever. What I also like to do, I like to look at the high and the close of the previous day. As you can see, it came down to the previous high of the previous day, tested it, and it continued to go back up, okay? You can also use that as support. So today's high was today's high is 467, all right? I believe if we break 467, we're going to go direct to 470. And then maybe there we'll get a pullback. Okay? Keep in mind, pullbacks doesn't always mean it's going to go straight down. Sometimes it's choppy. You can get a nice pullback to the downside, ABC down, or I can just go sideways. Okay? I'm just letting you know. This is why I tell you to be a bull in a bull market. Don't try to anticipate a pullback. Don't try to call a top. It's foolish. Anyways, look at the VIX. You already know about the bear flag, but look at today. VIX had a green candle, right? But look where it got rejected. Rejection. It went just a little bit below the above the 5-day moving average, but overall, it got rejected from that level. Okay, remember, in a strong bull market, we get lots of rejection. Bounces from the 5-day. But in a strong bear market, we get lots of rejections from the 5-day moving average. You guys understand that? Okay, I'm gonna say that again. Bull trend, lots of bounces off the 5-day moving average. Bear trend, lots of rejections from the 5-day moving average. Okay, just letting you know. And today the VIX did just that. All right, a bearish VIX is what? It's a bullish SPY. Okay, and not to mention, it's not even overextended from the upper Bollinger Band. Upper Bollinger Band is all the way here at 470.8. Okay, so for what I'm looking at, based on the charts, we still have more upside. 470 price target, as I've been telling you guys. I think for this whole week I've been telling you guys that, okay? It's up to you guys if you believe me or not. All right? So, technical analysis wise, we want to look, if we do get a pullback, look to watch if this level hold. That's around 463.5. Watch to see if that level holds if we get a pullback. Okay, the 5-day moving average is at 462.5. It may go up a little higher by tomorrow. Okay, watch the 5-day. Okay, don't try to trade. If you're trading with Robinhood, it's very bad because Robinhood's chart, it just sucks. Okay, so at least if you're going to trade with Robinhood, at least try to use TradingView or something and watch the chart. Don't just go in naked or blind, guys. I'm just saying. It's up to you, though. Okay? So, with that being said, I'm still bullish on the SPY. Why am I bullish? Because bullish price action, okay? But like I said, with the bar chart, people and the put to call ratio, people are starting to fold in. So keep that in mind. Market, if we can see this, market makers will definitely see this. And those are the guys or girls that got the liquidity to move the market. Not me, not you. Okay, guys? So be careful. They might want to screw us over. Notice how retail traders starting to get bullish at the tippity top. Okay? They didn't get bullish down here when it was supposed to buy. They want to get bullish all the way up here now. Now they're catching FOMO. They FOMO in. But all my subscribers, you guys, and my Discord members, we have not been FOMOing in. We've been buying this market and buying the dip over here and buying off the 5-day moving average. We've been doing that, okay, for the past month, the past few weeks, and we making money. I'm so proud of you guys. All right? So, continue to be bulls in this bull market and continue to make your money. And if you're wrong, and if I'm wrong, if we are wrong, cut your damn losses. The number one job of a trader is capital preservation. Okay? We may not make money all the time. This is not a job. If you want consistent money, go get a job. This is a business. Okay? Some days we might not make money. Some days we make small gains. Some days we make big gains. Some days we'll take a small loss. But there's one thing I don't want you guys to ever do, and that is to take a big loss. You guys understand that? That's a big no-no. Anyways, hope you guys get the picture. Moving on to QQQ. QQQ, I told you guys yesterday that I have a 400 or a little above 400 price target. Okay, we are at the upper Bollinger Band. Be careful. This is very tippy. All right, don't buy the tip, buy the dip, but this is very tippy. We'll see if we can get a bounce off the 5-day moving average tomorrow, or maybe even off around 394. Okay, so keep your eyes on that. Either way, I got a price target of 403 up here, maybe 404. So if we do get a pullback, look to buy at support. We have support at 390, 383, and 376. Okay, those are big drops. If you guys want to short it, that's up to you. I cannot advise. I'm just going to continue to stay a bull in the bull market and look for buying opportunities. And remember something, cash position is a position as well. So if you're scared, you don't have to go to church, but you can stay in cash position. That's entirely up to you. Just be careful. We are getting very tippy with triple Q. But even still, I'm bullish. Why? Because the price action and the chart is bullish. Okay, we trading above all moving averages. Okay, we got a lot of bounces off the 5-day moving average in the bull market. Okay, look for if it'll test that. Okay, don't switch over to bears when you see triple Q dropping a few dollars. But like I said, entirely up to you. ARKK had a choppy day, didn't really go nowhere. We had a high of 125.86. It almost hit my 126 price target, just 14 cents off. Okay, but we'll see if by tomorrow or next week if we can get the closes above 126, because if we can break 126, we're definitely going to 132. But if y'all remember, I told y'all yesterday, got a 126 price target, then 132, and then the gap fill at 142. Okay, so we're still holding above this breakout level, so I am bullish. Look to buy at support level is my strategy. Right now, the 5-day moving average is at 123.7. It might move a little high by tomorrow. 13-day, which is also the breakout levels, at 121.3. Below that, I'll be bearish. Why? Because it will equate to a false breakout. Okay, false breakout, it's a very bearish price action. Okay, and if that happens, you can either bet to the downside, set your stop loss above the breakout level, because sometimes it will come down and they'll go back up. And if it does go back up and you were shorting, cut your loss and enter on the recapture. Okay, recaptures are very bullish price action. Okay, guys, moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a red day. It's not so good, right? But look at where it's bouncing from the breakout level. So price action is still bearish so far. However, let's bring up the moving averages. You can see it's closing below the 5, the 13, as well as the 20. Okay, so it's not looking good. But price action is still bullish because it's staying above our breakout level. I'll be more bearish if it drops below 59.7K, which is a critical support level. Also would equate to a false breakout. And if that happens, I will be taking my profits from Bitcoin and wait for the next buying opportunity, possibly off of this 50-day moving average over here at 54K, or maybe all the way down here at 48K, which is where the breakout line was. Okay, all the way, the breakout back from October 5th, that's where this line is now. All right, guys, so I hope this technical analysis was able to help. I'm gonna keep it short and simple and sweet. I'm not gonna diss the bears today. I think you guys went through enough. But guys, if you guys been following the price action and making money, I just want to say I'm so proud of you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I hope I didn't let you guys down, and I hope I continue to not let you guys down. And I hope I earned your subscription. If you're not subscribed to me, yeah, I hope I earned it. All right, because I'm doing my best here. Other than that, I'll see you guys soon.